folks, I also have Veena Mowgli with me, who leads the Assessment Center for Persistent Systems. And TechGeek's association with Persistent has been persistent. So Veena is here to share all her experiences with me today here in this conclave. Welcome to the conclave, Veena.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure talking to you guys. And yeah, one of our most valuable partners is TechGeek for assessments.
Thank you, Veena. So, without much ado, I'll quickly switch to the questions, and I'm really keen to know about all your experiences with Speed Hire and TechGig as well. So, help me understand how has your experience been with us, and as a product, why would you and how would you recommend Speed Hire in the market?
So Speed Hire, we've had a great experience. It has helped us immensely throughout these years. During the pandemic, we faced with a couple of challenges. One of which being was conducting assessments virtually and effectively. So that was the time when we realized a proctoring tool was the most necessary thing that we had to look for. That's when we were introduced to TechGig, and it has really enabled us to successfully use the proctoring capabilities to conduct our assessments virtually anytime and anywhere.
Lovely. Thank you so much for that, Veena. Moving on to the next one, help me understand that what are the features that you majorly use, and what are the most liked and the beneficial part that you think it has.
Absolutely. There are many features that I would really vouch in for when it comes to TechGig. But let me pick the three most beneficial features that I would like to talk about today. TechGig has been beneficial with the video proctoring aspect a lot. It has helped us immensely, wherein the video and a live image of the candidate gets captured. If there is an assessment which is of an hour's duration, now I have an entire video of 1 hour of each participant. Now, how is this going to help us? This helps us immensely when we want to catch hold of any malpractices, or this helps us zero down on the misuse of or during the assessment tenure or the assessment duration, basically. So yeah, this is one of the most important feature that I feel is the one that we've been using at Persistent. Talking about the second one is a sectional cutoff feature. Now here, when we would want to assess a candidate's coding capabilities only, uh, we specially use this kind of feature, wherein we make sure that a person who clears or who gets well through the coding round will only move on to the second and the third round subsequently. So again, this has been really good to help us analyze which candidates to pick and choose. The second one is the clone feature. Now cloning an existing event or a test helps us in doing away with a lot of manual tasks which is involved, which again helps us to utilize our bandwidth uh, effectively and in most appropriate manner. So this has again been very helpful in terms to become scalable in the current current need or the business requirement that we have. So this feature helps us being scalable, helps us save our bandwidth. So yeah, again, this is one of the cool feature that I would say for TechGig.
Wonderful. I'm really delighted to hear that it's been such a pleasant experience for you while you've been using
Absolutely.
Speedfire as
Yes.
a product, Veena. This is the last one that I would want to know from you: that which team is exactly using this product, Speed Hire, and how efficient has their that and their overall time management has been? Because we just spoke about time which is very important for a team to manage and
Absolutely.
actually put into the right resource altogether. So help me understand that.
Correct. So yeah, persistent L&D team is using Speed Hire. Now, why we are using is to leverage our assessments in an effective way. Uh, this also helps us drive competency improvement and skill upgradation of our employees across the organization. So yes, TechGig has been beneficial in all possible ways, and we would definitely love to have you guys as our assessment partner.
Thank you so much, Veena. I'm really glad to hear all the inputs that you've shared with me. The experiences are delightful for you, and we as partners would not actually expect anything more than that, that you're happy with us. So thank you so much, Veena, for sharing all these experiences with us and adding that testimony to our, our process and strategies in place.
Thank you so much, Sukriti. It was really great talking to you. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Veena. A pleasure talking to you. Thank you for being a part of this conclave.
Thank you, TechGig team.